Broad-spectrum efficacy against bacteria, fungi, and viruses in a super concentrated formula. Neutra-cide 256 is the neutral, one-step disinfectant, cleaner, and deodorizer that stretches your budget beyond expectation. All you need is a ½ ounce per gallon of water. That's just 4 ounces with 8 gallons of water in a standard 35-quart mop bucket. And in a quart bottle, all you need is 1/8 of an ounce. Neutra-cide 256 delivers hospital-level disinfection to offices, healthcare, educational, commercial, hospitality, industrial, municipal, and retail facilities.